Well, it's been a nice evening. We came here for a little day camping setup. We don't quite have the supplies to do an overnight in the cold weather out here, but it's good to be able to come out and just get that campfire vibes, feel like I'm outdoors camping. We're doing a little bit of a day camp glamping setup here. We've got some electricity and we're gonna be cooking up some delicious burgers on my electric griddle and hanging out by the campfire. Later this evening, we're going to watch a movie on our projector, and it's going to be a nice vibe. I'm really excited. I haven't been camping in quite some time, so it gives me that camping atmosphere, but by the end of the night, we're going to be packing up and going home. We really could watch a movie from back here.
Is.
Okay, so I'm gonna make some burgers tonight. And we're in a traditional campsite with electricity, so we plugged in Orleans for a little bit of glamping. Got an air fryer making some french fries, and I have a griddle that's gonna make our burgers tonight. I got a burger press. And I'm just gonna let the pan heat up. Let these burgers kind of cool down a bit. Got 4 burgers already prepped and ready to go. We're just gonna press them and cook them. These are hands down my favorite frozen French fries. Get that starting to cook. You know what I don't have?
What?
I don't have plates.
Alright, we got buns.
I did not come very prepared in my camp kitchen. There's one. All right. That's cooking. Here are French fries. Sprinkle some of the seasoning. Time to flip. And then take this over to my little campfire. Let that toast up.
That's perfect then. I don't need to worry about it. You don't like turkey much? I'll probably just stick to this if I put them on here.
Cheers.
Come on.
Mm-hmm. Well, you're about to start our movie, but then realized we didn't bring the remote or this projector, so we have no way of controlling it, so we can't watch a movie tonight. But it would have been so perfect. It's all set up in there. We have this nice area to warm up in and stay out of the cold. Next step.